Hi everyone, today we're gonna talk about how to create subscription forms in Mailsoftly and how to embed it to your website. So let's jump in. So in your dashboard, as always, you go to the left sidebar, and here under the contacts you will see forms. Let's click on the forms. So here you can you see a lot of forms in our demo account, but here let's create a new form. So create a new form. So here what you can do, you can just give a name. Let's say that subscription form. So that's the name of our form, and here you will have fields. So those are drag and drop fields on the right hand side, and also those are the just kind of like a mandatory fields. Form title and email is already there. So if you want to just, let's say that, so this form will gonna be seen by your users, so you want to change their name. So here what you can do is, as you see here, we have a pen icon which is edit. So edit the label of the form as, let's say that, subscription form again, because this and the name of the form and the title of the form is different. So subscription form. So this is the H1, which means that heading 1. Okay, so we can close it. So that's the subscription form. And the other one is email. So let's say that we also want to just get a, I don't know, like first name, last name, let's say. So what you can do is you can just create drag and drop text field. So I just come here in text field, and I want to change the first name, as you see, and let's say that another one, text field, and this is the last name. Yeah, so here first name, last name, and email, let's say. And what you can do is, again, when you click on the edit button, you will see if you want to just require that field to be filled out, you can click on require. Let's say that we want to require, and you will see this red button, red star appears on the right hand side. So let's also require this. And yeah, so by the way, so this form field, this form can be created, you can just drag and drop radio buttons. If you want, you can edit each one of them by, again, like clicking on the pen icon. Or you also have that, like duplicate copy, it just duplicates the thing. And if you want to just move the things around, you can just do this with these arrows, but also you can also do them by drag and drop. So yeah, so that's how you and also let's say that I have read and accepted the terms. Let's add this too. And what you can do is, actually this is also required. Let's say you can click on the text, and the link can be your, I don't know, you can just copy and paste your terms of service. So yeah, so let's click save. So the next step is go to the form style. So as you see here, we have 4 steps. So we just finished the first one, we just built our form, and let's go to the form style. So here so I think this is the duplicate. So let's go and maybe change this kind of, let's see, okay, I accept, let's say, whatsoever. And what you can do here, you can style your forms. So you can add background image if you want, or you can change the background from this one. You can change any color, and whatever you wanna do here. So and generally you can just align the font to be center, or left, right, and the color of your all your labels also can be adjusted here. So whatever you want to do. So but anyway, so let's keep it in kind of a good shape, and the background color, let's do this a little bit, yeah, and let's align them left. And you can also change the width, and if it is border, you can just play around them. But what I want, let's say that subscription form, you can also edit each element here. So when you come to subscription form, you see this, it pops up here, and you click on it. Right now we can just change the style of this specific element. Okay, so instead of aligning left, let's make it center, right? And instead of, so you can just change the color of this specific element. So let's make it, I don't know, a little bit different. So yeah, and again, let's say that we just completed. You need to hit apply styles. That is important. Apply styles, there we go. So right now we just saved, we applied the styles. So next we can go to the settings. So here in our form settings, we can say that create new contact when the user submits the form. So if it's a subscription form, you want it to be saved as a kind of a new contact, right? So we will create a new contact for you when a user submits the button. So we want to just open this section. And what you can do is you can give a tag, specific tag. So let's say that, subscription or something like that. I can test whatsoever, and notify me when the user submits the form. We will send you an email when user submits the form. Yes, please send an email. Who wanna send the email to? Let's say that to me. You can select a couple of people, and then you come to the last step, which is share form. So by the way, so if you wanna just create a new tag for this specific thing, you can go to, again, on the left hand side, you can go to the tag section. Let's do it and create a tag. Let's say that subscriber, or subscription to our form. You can change the color if you want, and this is gonna be this tag is for contact. You can also add tags to your contact list, but yeah, let's say that we have this. And right now when I come here, I refresh the page, and right now subscription form to our form, and share. So here we already created our form. So those are a bunch of options. This is right now just live, so you can open a new tab and you can fill it out. Let's fill it out. Send. There we go. So right now what happened is we received a new subscriber here, as you see, and subscription. So our tag is subscription to our form, and this is it. So it's now live actually. So you can just share this link to any one of your users, or you can just send it to as an email, and so on and so forth. So this is the web page, and here comes the iframe. So if you want to just embed this as a kind of an HTML form to your website, all you need to do is just copy and paste this code to your web page, and it will live. You will be able to just edit the width or height of your form and style of form specifically, you can just change this to fit your needs and so on. So this is the iframe script. Again, instead of doing iframe, you can also just embed this as a kind of a JavaScript file. And and also here we also give you HTML code of the form. So you have a lot of options that you can just use as a kind of a thing, the code, source code. And we also have pop-up version of it. So here for the pop-up, copy the code below and paste it to the body element of your website. You can just copy and paste this and add to the following class. Among the classes of the element, you want to trigger the pop-up, which means that if you want to just when click on something, if you want to just trigger the pop-up form when someone just clicks on a link, what you need to do is you just add this class MS model trigger to the button that you wanted your pop-up form to pop up. So let's see. So open my form. So as you see here, there's a little bit, it's not looking good. So what you can do is you can come and adjust the width and height of your form here. So let's say that I want the width to be, let's say 80% and the height to be like this. I don't know, let's say 90%. Let's click save and open my form again. Oh, this is too big, so let's just change the width a little bit like this. So let's see if it looks good. Yeah, it's not bad. Again, you can just maybe make it a little smaller. Okay, save. Again, open my form. Yeah, that's acceptable. So this is the pop-up model. So what you need, you can also say that automatically open the form after 1 second. Let's say this, and let's make it 3 and save. So what it will do, wait for 3 seconds, it will automatically pop up. There you go. That's the same thing will happen on your website too. So that's how you just embed your form to your website. And you can just create any forms, any number of forms in your account. So it can be either subscription form, it can be download my ebook kind of thing, whatsoever. So to just you can just use it as a kind of a lead magnet for your to collect emails and so on and so forth. Yeah. So and also the last thing is you can just see the submissions. Let's see. So here, as you see, you can see your submissions. Whoever just submit this form, you will have their history, their kind of information here. Again, you can come here on the forms. You can click on, as you see here, one submission. That's subscription form. You will see your subscriptions appear. If you want to edit the form again, you can come here and edit the form. You can edit the style, settings, and everything. So that's pretty much what it is today. So thank you very much.